Hello, my name is Ole Madsen. I'm Technical Sales Manager here at Gatehouse Satcom. We are offering a Satcom validation tool, also called a digital twin, that enables drone manufacturers to test satellite connectivity and communication. In this video series, I'm going to describe the benefits of using the digital twin. I'll be addressing which industries that will benefit from it. I'll also demonstrate key functionalities, and lastly, I'm going to dive into upcoming new features in our digital twin solutions. So let's dive into the exciting stuff. The digital twin provides you with an environment for your application development, where you can test, validate and document your application performance. It also provides you with an environment to test, validate your command and control data link, especially for BV loss flight. So let's dive into some of the real technical stuff and see how the digital twin in action works. We have the dashboard here. On the left side you have the map of the world, where you can see the various beams, the global, the regional and the narrow beams. You have on the right the barriers, forward and return barriers. Down on the left you have the terminal that are attached, and on the right you have the data connections. Here you can see we have set up a streaming connection of 504 kilobits per second. Moving on to the map screen, we talked about the virtual flight before, and here we have set up a virtual flight in US. It's flying around the US down to Tahiti and up to Canada. Typically the flight would be, in real world, would probably take more or less 24 hours for a drone. In our digital twin, it's roughly 1 hour, and here it's even speeded further up. So you can test and see how the handover is progressing. You can see how the data connections is done, and you can see how fast the data is transmitted. The next is the status screen. Again, here you have it more in writing. You have the handovers. You can see it has completed a handover from beam 114 to beam 99 on satellite 7. You can see how many uplink packets that has been shipped and how many downlink packets that has been shipped, and how long it has been active, the data connection. Moving on, here we have a real-time view on the data link. You can see it's downloading 320 something kilobits per second and uploading roughly 75 kilobits per second. Finally, we go into the load scenario screens. You can either use the predefined load scenarios. We have low, medium or high load scenarios, or you can program your own load scenarios and see how your drone connectivity and how your application performs when there's load on the satellite system. And you can also in the impairment screen enforce various impairments to the satellite link and how it would behave with these impairments. Thank you for your time. If you have additional questions to our digital twin, please do not hesitate to contact me. You can see my contact details here on the slide. Thank you.